Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Stock Market India Reporter. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. निफ्टी आज बंद हुआ 180 पॉइंट नीचे. एक्चुअली इन मिडिल अराउंड 1224 इट टच्ड 24311 बट सस्टेन नहीं कर पाया और फाइनली बंद हुआ 24117 पे. काफ़ी सारा कंपनी का रिजल्ट निकला, देखेंगे. MRF 5% ऊपर गया आज शेयर. चार्ट देखेंगे. Q1 मार्जिन बीट एस्टिमेट, नेट प्रॉफिट स्लाइड टू 3.3 to 563 crore. So that's the result for MRF. This is MRF day chart. As you see, 23rd of February 2024 this year, 1,50,000 that was the threshold this stock made. After that थोड़ा down गया और around 1,20,000 में settle हुआ. So after this result, my target remain that particular threshold 150,139. So today's price and that 1,50,000, then 7% gap. So if you have capacity cash, this is the evergreen stock. Go ahead and buy it for 7% profit in coming days. Next stock, LIC, Life Insurance Corporation. Net profit rise 9.6% year on year, 10,416 crore. Total premium income also surged 15%. तो LIC करेंगे या LIC का स्टॉक खरीदेंगे? We'll see the chart, but that's your call. So these are the key highlights for LIC. Overall market share by first year premium income increased by 64% from 61% year on year. LIC sold total of 35.65 lakh policies in the individual segment like retail. Total premium income increased by 15% to 1.13 lakh crore. So under the individual business category, premium income rose also 7%. New business premium income increased by 13%, 13.67 to 11,892 crore. So that's the summary of LIC result. This is the weekly chart for LIC. It's started its journey in May 2022, and as per my analysis, you can keep this stock in your portfolio if you have. Otherwise, a fresh buy can happen around 1,060 level, right? And target would be 1271. So that's the achievement LIC can give you if you are holding the stock. कल का वीडियो में बात किया था पीडीलाइट आफ्टर गुड रिजल्ट. सो मैंने बताया था कि ये जो एक पैरेलल चैनल फॉर्म किया है, इसको अगर ब्रेक करता है तो काफ़ी अपसाइड मोमेंटम हो सकता है. ट्राई किया था आज, अराउंड 3268 तक गया था, लेकिन वापस क्लोज हुआ 100 पॉइंट नीचे. तो टारगेट अभी भी सेम है 3338 फ्रॉम नाउ, बट यू कैन वेट फॉर सम डाउनवर्ड्स मोमेंटम. यहाँ पे देखा जाए तो जो EMA सपोर्ट है उसको ले सकता है अराउंड 3118 एंड उसके ऊपर जाके ये टारगेट अचीव कर सकता है. सो कीप दिस पीडीलाइट इन योर वॉच लिस्ट एंड इफ यू हैव इन्वेस्टेड ऑलरेडी, कीप इट ऑन. नेक्स्ट न्यूज़मेकर स्टॉक RVNL Q1 रिजल्ट निकला. नेट प्रॉफिट स्लिप हुआ 34% ईयर ऑन ईयर अप टू 223.92 एंड शेयर में भी काफ़ी इफेक्ट हुआ. हम चार्ट देखेंगे. The summary says the company has posted profit of 343 crore year on year ago, and now that become 223, so 34% drop. Revenue from operation came into 4,073 crore change, which is also down 26%. So revenue और PAT दोनों down है. The basic earning per share EPS came at 1.07 against 1.65. So all the factor is negative for RVNL. काफ़ी सारा वीडियो मैंने बनाया है न्यू ऑर्डर के बारे में, बट वही सेम चीज़ PSU कंपनी का ऑर्डर काफ़ी है, बट एग्जीक्यूशन के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि रेवेन्यू कैसा होगा. सो आई थिंक RVNL इज अ गुड स्टॉक फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म, बट करंट क्वार्टर इज नॉट सो मच सेटिस्फाइंग. This is RVNL day chart for you. 518 as per my analysis should be the next support, and if that breaks, then this should be a downfall around another 100 point, almost 90-100 points. But if they sustain and start moving up, then the लास्ट का जो रेजिस्टेंस था 646, मेरा पिछले वीडियो में वही टारगेट था. सो दैट टारगेट रिमेन सेम. सो इफ इट कैन कम डाउन 100 पॉइंट 90 पॉइंट डाउन, good potential that time to buy this stock, accumulate this stock. Otherwise, if you are already invested, then you can accumulate more, and if it start moving upward, then 646 is the next target. Another PSU stock GRSE, Garden Rich Shipyard, PAT jump 14% year on year, revenue 33% up हुआ. Synopsis देखेंगे. So state owned defense company Garden Rich reported 14% year on year PAT of 87.2 crore for the quarter. Revenue from the period stood at 1,009, which is 33% up compared to 755. So that's the Q1 result for GRSE. We'll see the chart. This is a weekly chart, and in the previous video I have drawn this parallel channel for you. So as per my analysis, there is a possibility after this result, if it is not satisfying the stakeholder, it may touch down to this around 1800 level, right, before start moving upward. And if this current level sustain, then the next target will be 2562 and 2833. So those are the level should watch for. Another central government company, Steel Authority of India, net profit declined 62%. It's a huge fall in the profit for the financial year 2025 first quarter, and obviously misses the analyst expectation. So the profit decreased to 81.78 crore in this particular quarter as against 212 crore last year ka jo tha. And that compares with 744 crore consensus profit estimate of analyst type. Then revenue down 1.5%, that is marginal. EBITDA up 35%. EBITDA margin at 9.3 versus 6.8, which was good, meeting the estimate. Net profit, as we say, 62% down, right? Oil India, net profit fall first quarter, though it surpassed the analyst estimate. So this crude oil producer profit decreased by 14% to 2016 crore in the quarter, according to the exchange filing. Estimates was 1793, so beat estimate. Revenue down 8%, EBITDA down 4%, margin is good. Net profit down is 14%, as we said. And so that's for Oil India. Oil India performed pretty well yesterday's market. Let's see the chart. This is the day chart for Oil India. Yesterday it was 8% up. So the latest resistance was on 638 zone. So I think it is heading towards the same. If this result impact the stock price, then we may see a potential support around this 560, 570 level, right? Otherwise, it is a good stock to keep it in your portfolio for dividend purpose, as well as the potential also very up. Some pharma stock result came. Alembic Pharma touches all-time high after the profit surges over 11% year-on-year. Biocon result actually, amongst the market, it's nearly 550% jump into net profit to 659 crore. Revenue also up by 8.3. So we'll see the chart how it's actually affected today's market. Day chart for Biocon, as per this trend line suggests, it is currently in very good support zone. So with this great result, I believe 374 is the immediate target if it start moving upward. So currently it's 340, 374, so around 30, 35, 40 rupees can be made in the stock. Page Industry, which is licensed product Jockey is part of, as well as Speedo. So Q1 profit 165.22 crore, sales volume up by 2.6. That is the revenue part. So I have opened a monthly chart for Page Industry. Very good stock, no doubt about it. So actually in month of April 2024, it actually down to 33,000, right? Around 33,000, which was the major resistance during 2018, around 6 years back, right? So that became the support now, which is the nature of any stock. Now it is getting the resistance for this month of May, and then September 2023, and now in month of July, that is 42,841. So if this result make good impact, my analysts suggest that it will break this resistance 42 and go forward for the 49 range. Otherwise, there is a chance it may again retest this 33,000. So keep it in your watch list, and based on your analysis, you can accumulate the stock. Very good stock for keeping the portfolio. As per the request from one of my channel friend that wipro analysis, I just jotting down the details जो भी मेरे पास है. Q1 result में profit rise हुआ था 4.64, that is on 20th of July, and revenue decrease हुआ था 3.8. We'll quickly check the peer comparison and the price to earning ratio for Wipro. So Wipro का price to earning ratio is less than any of his competitor and much less than the industry P. TCS is having 31.72, industry P is 31.86, whereas Wipro is having 22.80. Let's see the quarterly result and yearly result. So as you see, the sales, the latest quarter sales is 21,964. So there is a decline from last year. However, profit has increased, as we see in the result. 2886 becomes 3037, and just past quarter, if you see, they are also declining the revenue, but profitability has increased. So year on year and quarter by quarter, in both the cases, sales decrease but net profit increase. And if we see year on year basis for last 5 years, 2020 the sale was 61.138 crore, which is becoming 88, and net profit was 9772, which is becoming 11263. So there is a potential increase for Wipro profit and loss. Shareholding patterns, FII actually increased their stake from last quarter, 6.96 become 7.12. There's a huge stake from promoter, around 72.82, the Ajim Friendly Foundation. DYI little decrease marginally, we can ignore that, and public also there is no much decrease. So holding pattern is sustainable. This is a day chart for Wipro, and I have taken some of the resistance and support line starting 2021, 3 years back. So as you can see, recently it is taking the resistance in 540 545 zone, which already been tested, and Wipro ऊपर जाने का कोशिश भी किया था July में, which is a couple of weeks back, but could not sustain. So it touched 581, and now within couple of weeks it's 482. So huge drop, around 100 rupees drop. So whoever want to start investing, they can wait for this 473 level. There is a possibility it may test that. Otherwise, if it start going up, then 445 is very much achievable for this stock. Good potential stock for long term. Dividend is not so great, but yeah, and there's many stock split happened in previous historical data if you see. But yeah, that is the thing for wipro. So support level is 474. If that breaks, then huge support in 460 and 440 level. So that will be a golden opportunity to accumulate the stock. But if anyone want to अभी अगर इस स्टॉक में घुसना चाहता है, then yeah, they can after their own analysis. That's all for today's market update. Remember to stay informed and make well-researched decision on your investment. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in next video.